Hey traders, Mark here at PPT Trading Systems. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, gang. Alright, just want to do a quick update on the L24 FX system. So, I posted a video yesterday that showed the 3 open positions that I had. I ended up getting stopped out of 2 of them. So I got stopped out of the euro dollar short that I had, and I got stopped out of the pound CAD. However, this trade here, which I put on all the way back here on Friday last week, it got within 3 pips of target today, and I went ahead and pulled it. So I'm out of this trade. I'm actually flat right now. I have no positions. I do have one trade that I have my eye on. I'll show that to you right now. There's only one trade that's potentially setting up right now, and that is the dollar CAD. And you can see my order in here. I've got a buy stop 1 pip above the high of this green bar. Now, here's how I'm going to play this. If price comes down and tests this low of this bar, which is 26.52, so if it goes to 26.52 or lower, then I'm going to pull this order. And I'm going to wait for a new up green bar. Now, if price closes below the 200 period, then I'm going to have to wait for an up green bar, and the high of that up green bar has to be equal to or greater than the 200 period. If the high of the up green bar is less than the 200 period moving average, there's no trade, period. Okay? So right now, this trade will have a 72 pip stop. So I'm reducing my size to 2 mini lots. That allows me to only risk 1% of my account. And the target will be 180 pips. Okay? So if that triggers, we'll talk about it next week. But just so you know, that's what I'm looking for, and this would be the only trade that I'd have on for now. All right, so I want to talk about the week. I missed quite a few trades this week. One of them I personally just psyched myself out of, and I don't do that very often, but it does happen. And it was this trade right here. I'll tell you what happened. Here was the trade. I was supposed to get in this thing above this bar. I had an alert that triggered, and I happened to be in a meeting when it triggered, and I forgot about it. By the time I saw it, price was up here. So I put a limit order in, and it never filled me. Well, normally I would just keep the limit order in until the target or the stop is hit, but because it went up so fast, I psyched myself out of it. But look what happened. It just chop, 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 and then target. So I missed this one. There was another one that I missed that there was nothing I could do about. And then there was one right here. This one I missed, the Swiss yen. I'll show it to you. Off of the 200 here. Has not hit target yet. The target is actually 113.03. Anyway, so had I taken those other 3 trades, this would have been a killer week. But as it is, I'm going to show you the results. So today actually represents 1 month since I started trading the L24. Actually, tomorrow represents 1 month. But, oh, hold on one second. Wrong chart. Where'd it go? Here it is. Okay, here's my actual account statement from TD Ameritrade. You can see tdameritrade.com down here. So I started a month ago, which was the 12th of July through the 11th of August, with $9,931. I'm ending with $11,186. So that's a little over $1,200 in profit in 1 month. So it's just over a 12% return. Now, if I had taken the trades that I've missed, guys, I'd be up well over 20%. I'm getting really comfortable with this, so I'm going to start taking a lot more and getting more aggressive. Now let's look at the actual just this week. There were 6 trades this week. I had 3 losers and 3 winners. For a total of, to figure out the total, take 174 plus 118. So just about $300, which is about a 3% return. That's not bad for a week, right? I mean, if I can average 3% a week, it's 12% a month. You know, 150% a year. It's a great return. Okay, gang, just thought I'd show you this. I'm going to keep you all updated, see if I can continue to maintain this type of pace. There is one thing I want to show you before I stop. I'm going to show you a little indicator that I got here. So I've been telling you guys about a filter that I want to use for this system, and I finally got the first iteration of it back yesterday. Now it's going to become a lot more simplistic, but right now just know that these are just buy and sell zones, okay? So if I have a buy zone like this one, which is this blue zone here, then I know that I want to be looking for longs only. So for example, because I have a buy zone here, I wouldn't be taking these shorts in here, okay? Until this zone is taken out, which it actually is taken out right here. Now once it's taken out, there actually isn't a trade that triggers. And then all of a sudden I get a sell zone that prints up here, which means now I'm not taking these. I wouldn't take this long. Trying to scroll forward here. Come on. Charts are slow. I wouldn't take this long. And you can see it would have been stopped out. And look at this sell zone. Look what happens, guys. It comes right into it and then failure. So what I would be doing now, I'd just be looking for only L24 shorts. Which look, here we go, right here. Here's an L24 short for a nice winner. Another L24 short right here for another winner. Trade off of the 200 period, which is the one that I'd be in now. So you can see that zone gives me the direction. And here's what it will look like. It'll just be a bar down here at the bottom. That'll just be red, white, or green. Red will tell me that I'm looking for shorts. Green will tell me I'm looking for longs. And white will tell me I'm neutral. I don't have a direction. So then I just got to test it and see. So what will happen is it's going to reduce the number of trades, but maybe I'll get a higher probability of winning, right? So what that means for me is I can open up my universe to basically the entire basket of forex pairs. It's all about numbers, guys. Know your numbers. Okay, that's all for today. You guys have a great week, and I'll catch you next week.